I'm going to try and make a very short video showing our different transfer belt options. I'm going to start with what I think is the top of the range, and then we'll work our way down to the budget options. Starting with the soft transfer belt. So this is an entirely padded belt where the handles are padded as well as the belt part, and it has an adjustable buckle at the front so you can keep that buckle in the middle of the person. That's that one. This is a black version of exactly the same soft transfer belt. This is the extra small size with the brown handles. This is a very similar design, but it's a wipeable soft transfer belt. Now it does have stitching, so moisture can get in where the needle marks are, but the material is a waterproof material, so you can wipe it clean. Again, it's got the adjustable buckle at the front, so you can keep that buckle in the middle of the person. Moving on now to the handy lift walk belts. So these are belts which do up with double Velcro at the front. And I can do this up here. Now on these ones, only the handles are padded. The rest of the belt part is not padded, but it's a little bit wider or higher than the soft transfer belts. These come in different sizes, and we can tell the different sizes by the different coloured handles. So this is a large, which is green. Now this one is also a handy lift walk belt, but it's got this grey rubber lining on the inside, which grips onto the clothes a little bit better. But be aware that although it grips onto the clothes very well, you can still get slipping between the clothes and the skin. Another one which fell down here, but I'll grab it quickly. This is the oldest product. Now this is called a Gait Belt. So this is the budget option. It's a 50mm wide webbing, and it's got the handles made out of webbing around the back there. Again, it's got the adjustable buckle to keep the buckle in the middle of the person. With these handles that the carers hold on to, for a lot of people it's too narrow and it can cut in a little bit, which is why the handles on all the other products are the nice wide handles, padded, easier to hold on to. A similar product is the Handy Lift. Now, the Handy Lift is a similar name to the Handy Lift walk belt. Now, the Handy Lift is just a rectangular piece of material with a handle at each end. It's not a belt, so it doesn't do up around someone. This is used mainly under people's legs in conjunction with a Handy Lift walk belt around the waist to manually carry someone. That's it.